Class 9 Science Project. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today I will give you a project and the topic is Whitaker classification, and that one is the Kingdom Monera, Kingdom Protista, Kingdom Fungi, Kingdom Animalia and Kingdom Plantae. So you can write on right hand page and draw the figure on left hand page. So let us start. It will be right on your right hand page. The unicellular organisms that lack a nuclear membrane or a protocytes are classified under this kingdom. Second, organisms may be autotrophic and heterotrophic. Third, cell walls is present around the cell membrane. Fourth, their cell wall is different from that of the plant and is mainly made of peptidoglycan, a compound formed of protein and carbohydrates. Example, bacteria, cyanobacteria. And let us see the figure. So figure is given here. You can draw the figure on left hand page. It is E. coli and Bacillus anthracis, and it is cyanobacteria Anabaena. Let us see the next one. The next one is the kingdom Protista. First point is all organisms of this kingdom are unicellular with nuclear membrane around the nucleus or eukaryotic cells. Number second, organism can be both autotrophic or heterotrophic. Third one, all the life process are carried out within the cell. Example, amoeba, paramecium, entamoeba and euglena. And you can draw the figure. You have to see amoeba, entamoeba and paramecium. Let us see next one. That was the kingdom fungi. The first one, most fungi are filamentous. They form network of filaments that are called mycelium. Second, organisms of this kingdom are heterotrophic, unicellular or multicellular eukaryotic forms. Third, chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are absent in their cells, so they cannot make their own food. Example, mocha, yeast, agaricus, mushroom, rhizopus, bread mud, or asparagus, and the penicillium. Let us see the next one. And the lichen are found of symbiotic association of the algae and fungi. They remain so closely associated that they appear as single organisms. Fungi use the food produced by algae through the photosynthesis, while algae use the moisture and minerals absorbed by the fungi. Litmus is produced for फ्रॉम अ टाइप ऑफ लाइकेन. लिटमस जो बनाया जाता है वो इसी टाइप के लाइकेन से बनाया जाता है जो यूज होता है एसिडिक और बेसिक सोल्यूशन को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए. सो लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट इज प्लांट किंगडम. दैट वन द ऑल ऑफ प्लांट किंगडम आर मल्टीसेलुलर eukaryotic forms. Second, most plants have the chloroplast in their cells that helps them to photosynthesize. Thus, they are autotrophic. So, these have a cellulosic cell wall. Example है Aspergillus algae and Fineria moss and fern, cycas, date plum, neem, wheat. These are the plants. And this figure you can draw on left hand page. Aspergillus and Fineria. These you can draw on left hand page. Let us see the next one. The next one is dodder. You are always seen in any plants. So amarbale or dodder is the member of a plant kingdom. This is a parasitic climber that would surround a host plant. It does not contain chlorophyll. It acquires its food from the host plant. Dodder has a special type of roots that helps to absorb food minerals from the host plant. So that is the dodder. Now, animal kingdom. Organisms of this kingdom are multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophic forms. These do not have a cell wall. These do not have chloroplast. Made of nutrition is mainly by egestions. They have a specialized organ for intake of food. As for example, butterfly have juices sucking tubes. Humans have mouth, birds have beaks, etc. Most of the animals have specialized organ for movement, locomotion, movement in such a way that the location changes. Example, lion, manna, fish, man, hydra, tapeworm, earthworm, mussels, and scorpions, starfish, etc. And you can draw the figure also. These are the figures. तो यहीं पर आप लोगों का प्रोजेक्ट एंड हो रहा है, इसके बाद आप एंड कर देंगे। सभी फिगर्स को लेफ्ट हैंड पेज पे बनाना है। ये मैं आज प्रोजेक्ट दे रहा हूँ, मुझे एक हफ्ते के अंदर अंदर ये प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट चाहिए। सो एनी हाउ यू डोंट फॉरगेट दिस। सो जल्दी से जल्दी कंप्लीट करके मेरे को सबमिट करेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे। इसी के साथ मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर इसको समाप्त करता हूँ।